Okay, now I'm going to draw a Lewis structure for SO2. Step 1, calculate total valence electrons. Sulfur is in group 16. Alright, I only have one of them because there's no subscript here. So 1 is in group 16, so 6 valence electrons equals, that's going to equal 1 times 6 is 6 valence electrons. Okay, oxygen, I have a subscript of 2. So 2 times, it is also in group 16, so that means it'll 6 valence electrons, which means 12 valence electrons. 6 plus 12 is 18. So my structure must have 18 total electrons. Alright, I'm going to draw my skeleton structure. I only have one S, so I'm going to put it in the middle. Alright, next step, I'm going to draw 6 valence electrons around each outside atom. Alright, if my center atom has 8, I'm done. 2, 4. Okay, my outside atom does not have 8. So I must use my other rules. I must erase 2 atoms from either outside atom and draw a double bond. So I am going to, let's see, should I get rid of these ones? I'm going to get rid of these ones. So I'm going to erase those, and I'm going to replace them with a bond. Again, now I'm going to count to see if my central atom is 8. Each one of these lines represents 2 valence electrons, a bond of 2 valence electrons, shared electrons, 2, 4, 6. So I'm still not there. So I need to take another 2. Let's see, this time I'm going to erase these 2. I'm going to turn this into a bond. It's a little messy, extremely messy, but that gets the idea. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So oxygen satisfies the octet rule. Sulfur, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sulfur satisfies the octet rule. And 2, 4, 6, 8. This other oxygen satisfies the octet rule. So now I am done.